I think we should be very prudent talking of gas. Gas is a part of today's energy mix. We are on the way of decarbonization. We have ways how to use gas and decarbonize it at the same time. So it's a very comprehensive issue. But what is important really to take care of gas as an engine of growth in the region. And we have this experience and we need to build on it, but at the same time definitely not compromise our willingness really to save planet from overheating. We have definitely experience with natural gas. Biomethane on biogas is still used in very small level, both in the EU and globally as well. There is a potential, but with biomethane the usual challenge is how not to overdo food supply influence. So there will be always some limit how much you could have biomethane. So it should be definitely developed. There is a potential of growth, but there will be limits. It can't replace natural gas in all the uses. For hydrogen, there is in a way easy answer. As long as you save greenhouse gas emissions, you can use natural gas with CCS, and in the meantime really try to bring costs down for so-called green hydrogen that are produced from renewable power using water that is needing of scaling up. But I believe the first steps will be done through the CCS because this is definitely cheaper, and with the time the green hydrogen will come more and more. So gas will not disappear. Roughly we expect that half of our energy system could consist from electricity, but the other half should be decarbonized. Some part will be decarbonized by the renewable hydrogen, but some part will still stay with fossil fuels because in some areas it's difficult to replace, and this will be covered by negative emissions like bioenergy with CCS or some other ways like direct air capture with CCS. So there are different opportunities. But I think the essence what we discuss here is that you should not try to be polarized the world. You really need to be pragmatic and at the same time also looking positively in the future. So not saying we can't do anything, but it does not mean that we should promote one technology and the other technology saying, well, it doesn't make sense. As long you can find a way how it serves the decarbonization objective, you need to build what you have now, because today we have built our welfare on fossil fuels. So we need to transit away from this, but we need to be wise and also take all the costs into account.